a cinematic showcase of the world's most stunning waterfalls, featuring Niagara, Victoria, Angel, and Iguazu Falls, captured in high definition with a relaxing nature soundtrack. Discover the true wonders of our natural world in 2 minutes. Don't forget to like and share. If you love nature, experience the raw power and elegance of nature. This cinematic journey takes you across continents to witness the grandeur of Victoria, Iguazu, Niagara, and Angel Falls. Watch as millions of gallons of water cascade down rugged cliffs in a display of pure magic. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ultimate scenic escape.